There we go. I brought some more trucks. They are European, but they're just really, really well detailed. And the ramps on the back here, they open and fold. So you got the Kato Volvo compared to the rest. Yeah. So I brought some F100s as well. The one's a Land Rover. But yeah, they're nice. But the white ones are just too plasticky. But the trucks come in well. I also brought one of these. I've got one, but it doesn't work. So I brought a new one. I didn't see the price on it, but that price, that's the Australian price. That's to get it to GST plus Australian dollar plus delivery. I also brought two of them as well for when the big boy comes along. Be able to use the other two on the other two locos, because yeah, we're getting a few steam engines now. But I'm happy with the trucks. About 40 bucks each, so yeah, they're expensive, but they're nice looking. It is hooked up. It's not running. I've still got to wire it all up. I've been painting in the house, so I haven't had much time to do other stuff. And the only other thing I've got 5 of these now on the city of Los Angeles, which looks pretty cool. You can see. But that's really about it. Haven't been up to much at all. I'll have to give it a good clean, and yeah, it's going to need it. Still can't get no trees, none available. Well, they are, but everyone knows they're not available, so the price is going up a little bit. But everything else is still the same. Finally found a couple more of these, which I want a nice long string of them. And that's really about it. Nothing else has changed. So there you go. Be good, have fun.